We're getting important information. This is with regards to Kashmiri attacks in Himachal Pradesh. In the latest upper tracking at this hour, Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has slammed the Congress-led government in Himachal Pradesh. Now, Omar Abdullah has targeted the Congress over Kashmiri attacks taking place in Himachal Pradesh. Remember that politics has adopted over Kashmiris being targeted outside of Jammu and Kashmir. The Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has slammed the Himachal Pradesh government and has even sought action. Now, Omar Abdullah has said in High Court to stop targeting Kashmiris. Meanwhile, Jammu and Kashmir's party PDP has hit back, accusing Omar Abdullah of pleasing the BJP. While the PDP has slammed Omar Abdullah, saying that the BJP is vitiating the atmosphere. Remember that there is political fire over Kashmiri safety and the politics has heated up over attacks on Kashmiris outside of Jammu and Kashmir, with the Chief Minister Omar Abdullah slamming the Congress-led Himachal Pradesh government. Meanwhile, we also have some reactions lined up for you. Listen in.
मैंने नॉर्थ जोन चीफ मिनिस्टर्स कॉन्फ्रेंस में भी इस हवाले से बात की थी। मैंने तमाम चीफ मिनिस्टर से उस वक्त गुजारिश की, होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया से गुजारिश की कि ये जो सिलसिला कश्मीरियों को, चाहे वो स्टूडेंट्स हों, चाहे ट्रेडर्स हों, उनको जो हरास करने का काम चल रहा है वो रुक जाना चाहिए। मैं उत्तराखंड के चीफ मिनिस्टर का शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने मौके पर जो है कार्रवाई की और केस जो है वो रजिस्टर हुआ, गिरफ्तारियां भी हुई हैं। लेकिन इसी तरह हिमाचल में जो है ये सिलसिला लगातार चलता आ रहा है और अब हिमाचल जो है हमारे मतलब एक तो पड़ोसी रियासत है और अपोजिशन रूल स्टेट है, कांग्रेस रूल स्टेट है। यहाँ हम ये उम्मीद नहीं करते कि हमारे लोगों को इस तरह सताया जाएगा, तंग किया जाएगा, मारा जाएगा। मैं हिमाचल के चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब से गुजारिश करता हूँ कि मेहरबानी करके इस पे वो फौरी तौर कार्रवाई करें।
I think unfortunately the hate crimes against Kashmiri students are mostly because of the environment and poison spread by the BJP across the whole nation, and there are reports of hate crimes in Himachal where Congress is also leading. It's also happening, but Umar Sahab is being part of India Alliance. He never raises this issue with the alliance partners. He is beneficiary of India Alliance and then criticizes them because he wants to please BJP at different times. So I think this is more about securing and pleasing BJP on vote chori, on hate crimes, on other issues which are in SIR. He has taken a side of BJP than of an alliance which he is part of.